Here in India, ladies and gentlemen, to the story that we have been tracking, the developments regarding the elections in the national capital. The battle between Arvind Kejriwal and the BJP is heating up, where letters after letters are being written by both sides. Now, Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party's Chief Minister Atishi has written a letter to Lieutenant Governor, in which she has accused the Lieutenant Governor and the centre of planning to demolish many temples, Buddhist monasteries in parts of the national capital. Now, the BJP has hit back. Virendra Sachdeva, speaking on behalf of the Lieutenant Governor, I believe, has said Atishi is trying to disrupt the communal harmony of the national capital. So what it means, ladies and gentlemen, these are not just two letters which have been sent across. Arvind Kejriwal has also written to Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief, and he has in fact said that is the RSS okay with the BJP openly distributing money to the voters? Meanwhile, the BJP has hit back and has asked Arvind Kejriwal to in fact not lie to the people of Delhi, on the promises of his 2,100 rupees to the women, 60 years and over free, in fact, medicines and treatment for elderly, and also 18,000 rupee Samman Rashi honorarium for temple priests and granthis in the Gurudwaras. So this is the letter from Arvind Kejriwal. The BJP has reacted to that as well. Let's listen into some reactions.
दिल्ली में एक रिलीजियस कमेटी होती है जो मंदिरों की अगर कहीं पे शिफ्टिंग होनी है, अगर किसी भी धार्मिक स्थल का डेमोलिशन होना है, ये सारे डिसीजंस रिलीजियस कमेटी लेती है। ये रिलीजियस कमेटी दिल्ली सरकार के होम मिनिस्टर के अधीन आती थी। अब जो रिलीजियस कमेटी है वो सीधे तौर पर केंद्र सरकार के अधीन आती है।
वो जो झूठ बोल रही हैं कि दिल्ली में मंदिर तोड़ने की साजिश की जा रही है। मुख्यमंत्री आतिशी मार लेना, आपको एक बात समझ में आनी चाहिए कि दिल्ली सरकार की रिलीजियस कमेटी, जिसके अध्यक्ष दिल्ली के गृह मंत्री खुद होते हैं और मुख्यमंत्री उसकी सिफारिश करते हैं, और मुख्यमंत्री की जिम्मेदारी होती है कि दिल्ली में रिलीजियस कमेटी ने क्या निर्णय लेने होते हैं। लेकिन आप अपनी संवैधानिक ड्यूटी से भाग रही हैं। आप सीधा सीधा माननीय उपराज्यपाल पर आरोप लगा रही है, जो आम आदमी पार्टी का चरित्र है कि हर दोष के लिए आप माननीय उपराज्यपाल पर दोष लगाएं।
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आतिशी जी को किसने कहा है कि वो दिल्ली के अंदर अफवाह फैला रही हैं। अगर किसी ने कहा है तो मुख्यमंत्री उसका नाम सामने लेकर आए, आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करें कि कौन ये अफवाह दिल्ली में फैला रहा है। नए साल पे प्यार फैलाइए, नफरत मत फैलाइए। और आज दिल्ली का एजेंडा क्या है? दिल्ली का एजेंडा एयर पोल्यूशन है। दिल्ली का एजेंडा मैसिव तरीके से, जिस तरीके से इन्होंने कहा, अंडर डेवलपमेंट है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है, साफ पानी है, सूएज है, यमुना की सफाई है, क्योंकि इन्होंने ये काम नहीं करा। इनको नया मुद्दा बनाना है, मेन मुद्दा को भटकाने के लिए।
Ishika, my colleague, now joins me with more details on this story. Ishika, this battle of words will continue, isn't it, till the time the elections are over? Letter over letter, and now, of course, both the sides accusing each other of disturbing the communal harmony in the national capital.
Well, as you rightly said, Ankit, it's an all-out letter war here in the national capital, and that too with the start of the new year. In fact, Chief Minister Atishi had yesterday itself written to the Lieutenant Governor and had said, in fact alleged, that the religious committee, only after the approval of the Lieutenant Governor, has in fact decided now to destroy or rather demolish the religious structures. That includes, the temples, the mosques, the churches here in the national capital. Now, yesterday we also got a response from the Lieutenant Governor's office saying, that this is just a cheap tactic or cheap politics from the side of the Chief Minister, because no such file has been received by the Lieutenant Governor's office. office. Now, in fact, today again, Atashi has done a press conference over this, saying whatever the Lieutenant Governor's office has said is nothing but a lie. So over that, now the opposition also has now, mounted its attack against Chief Minister. BJP saying that, if that is the case, then it should be the Chief Minister herself who needs to clarify that whether the Home Department that is under her, whether or not, did it send any such kind of recommendation to the Lieutenant Governor's office. Now, on one hand, we are also seeing, the Congress also, in fact, digging its heels into this, saying that, Atashi should focus on the real issues of Delhi rather than getting into this petty politics. So certainly, the letter war ahead of the Delhi polls is only set to intensify now. Over to you.